I had a lot of negative things happen in my life that caused me to lose myself. And with that, my self-confidence went down the drain as well. I have gotten extreme value from working with Hypnosis Canada. I feel the change personally, and I notice it when I'm interacting with people. I feel my confident self back. I'm able to go out in public again and able to be open with people, strike up conversations with random strangers, which before I was really struggling with doing that. I felt like a shell of my former self. I doubted myself in all aspects of my life. My relationships with people struggled. My drive for life struggled. I didn't have any zest. I was pretty much feeling quite hopeless in regards to that. Training here has been quite wonderful. It's very welcoming. It's very open and non-judgmental. And the training here, I have found my confidence in being here.